Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out 8 bold and sassy short hairstyles. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair, this video will definitely inspire you. First up, we have this all black chic pixie cut. This is definitely a classic pixie featuring bangs in the front, spiky texture throughout, gorgeous shape and style. Next up, we do have another pixie cut. I'm just loving the way that her makeup looks paired with this pixie. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a beautiful shaggy style. The shag has managed to make a huge comeback this season, and I am loving the different varieties and shapes and textures that we've been seeing. Such a fun style. And this one does have a bit of a mullet feel to it too, so very nice shaggy mullet. And then we move on to the next one. It looks like she's going to be getting a pixie cut. The stylist is creating gorgeous texture and shape with this pixie. Wow, absolutely stunning transformation. And then we see a pixie with a hair color change. Beautiful sandy brown hue. And then for this style, looks like a very chic pixie haircut with the bangs in the front. Another fun and popular way to wear your hair this season. And then we have a gorgeous lob haircut. Followed by this stunning red pixie cut. Absolutely gorgeous. So let us know in the comments below, would you rock any of these hairstyles? And of course, if you want to see even more hot hair trends, be sure to check out this video next.